Okey guys, selamat pagi ya. Hari ni kita datang dekat jambatan nombor 2 dekat Kampung Baru. Kita datang dekat sini. Tapi jalan tu terus sikit lah. Boy tadi bawa motor, boleh lah. Kan tadi pagi hujan kan, pagi tadi. So jalan tu teruk sikit lah. Tapi boleh juga, kereta pun boleh masuk. Dah lama dah kita cuba port ni. Ni boy nak cuba sini. Lepas tu hari ni Aboy beli udang hidup. Hidup 15 ekor je. Lepas tu udang mati. Kita try tengok apa yang dapat. Lepas tu Aboy ada tunjuk jalan nak masuk tempat ni, spot macam mana. Aboy ada tunjuk jalan. Nanti apa-apa tengok video tu, member boleh tahu macam mana nak masuk tempat ni. Okay, jom guys, kita setting barang dulu.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour. Take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder. Work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it.
Okay guys, jeruk dah setting dah. Dua pakai udang hidup, satu udang kopek. Cuba lah. Tapi lama juga guys kita datang sini. Dulu aku dengan member Apple datang sini. Itu pun dah berapa tahun dah datang sini. Macam hari ni cuba. Tahu hari ikan apa, tak ada target. Kita try saja. Oh, tak makan lah dia. Oh, dah 3 kali lucut. Ai, lucut ke ada? Lucut lah. Tu, lucut. Hai, lucut. Dah 3 kali lucut. Sampai kita sampai. Tu lah Nip. Nip. Nip.
Mancing tu.
Apa dah lucu berapa kali? 3 kali pun dah hidup. Dah lekat. Apa, cuba lagi. Macam mana lagi? Senang kepala. Keruk.
Aduh. Alah.
Oh, lucut. Lucut.
Lucut ke? Tunggu tu kan? Kau yang kacau ni.
Oh, itu
Besar. Lama. Kolot.
tak tahu ikan apa ni.
Ha?
Ni kacau
Kerapu?
ni. Tak ada lah.
Ha? Anak kerapu ah? Ya.
Tak ada, lain.
Sebab umpan apa ni?
Oh.
Dah, boleh gerak ah. Tak lama. Kau mana tak nak pakai?
Ya, pakai umpan eh.
Besar, 5 udang lebih.
Okey guys, sampai situ saja. Dah. Guru-guru saya ikut je, udang hidup. Tadi lucut 4 kali, tak tahu ikan apa lah. Macam kepala dia. Tarik memang kuat tapi lucut lah. Jom kita sambung next video. Sampai sini saja. Anik tadi pergi lain tempat. Anik dia tinggal Okay guys, jom kita jumpa next video. Sebab apa no, saya ikut je guru-guru. Di tempat memang syok lah. Air mati, air slow. Tak apalah guys, jom kita jumpa next video. Cuba lagi